California has witnessed the world's largest ever parade of electric vehicles, and most were Nissan Leafs.
And in new Guinness World Records, 507 of you are successful.
This new record was set during Plug-in America's National Drive Electric Week at a time when EV sales continue to climb for Nissan.
We are currently at around 61,000 sales in the United States since the launch of Leaf 4 years ago. #1 in the market, #1 in the world. It's a natural fit for an opportunity like this to come out and be at this event and set a Guinness Book of World Records on the largest number of electric vehicles in a parade at any given time. It makes me feel very welcome to be here.
As the exclusive automotive sponsor for National Drive Electric Week this September, Nissan had a message to share. EV sales are rising, and the trend is going to continue.
The fact that there's more manufacturers coming in now, it proves that it's a viable alternative out there, and that we're doing the right thing. And to see Kia coming into the market now, Volkswagen in a couple of months, they'll be very mainstream vehicles, and it makes us look even stronger. We're the leader, and they're going to look up to us to try to grow the market further.
National Drive Electric Week is a nationwide grassroots celebration of electric vehicle technology. The annual event shows the fun, convenience, clean air benefits, and cost savings of electric vehicles through activities taking place from Hawaii to Vermont.
So many cities came to us and said, we can't do it on a Saturday or a Sunday. And so we made it an entire week for greater flexibility.
I love it. I save so much money with not having to go and fill up in gas. And I just charge at Google where I work, so it's awesome.
Plug-in America reported that plug-in vehicle sales hit the first $250,000 mark in the U.S. on September 10th, as a record number of cities were preparing to celebrate this week's events.
We want to get people to drive electric, to try it out, get the electric smile, to see how awesome it is. Leave gas behind, join the future, man.
This is the future of motoring. It's electric vehicles at their best. It's great to be part of this event. It really is fun to watch.